The Eastpak Tranverz large rolling Holdall from Aspen of Hereford. This is the largest of the four in the range. On the front we have a zip pocket the full height of the bag. On each side we have a pair of cinch straps to keep your contents secure. On the top of the bag we find a TSA padlock and a padded grab handle, an extending trolley handle with two heights. On the side we find another padded grab handle. On the back we have two generous step guards, two inline skate wheels and D feet on the bottom to allow the case to stand up. It measures 79 centimetres tall, 40 centimetres wide and 33 centimetres deep. Twin zips lead to the main compartment where we'll find ample space for a long trip. We find a small flap pocket here and two zip compartments, one in the lid and one in the main part of the bag. In the lid section, we find a generously deep area, which is just easy to pack. On the other side, we have a slightly deeper area and luggage compression straps as well. It only weighs 3.7 kilos and has 121 litres of space available. The Eastpak Tranverz medium rolling Holdall from Aspen of Hereford. On the front we have a zip pocket the full height of the front of the bag. On each side we have a pair of cinch straps to keep smaller loads cinched up and tight. On the top of the bag we find the TSA padlock, a two-height extending trolley handle. On the top and the side we have padded carry handles to turn it into a suitcase carry. On the back we have two generous curb guards, a pair of smooth running inline skate wheels and D-shaped feet on the bottom allowing the case to stand up. Twin zips lead to the main compartment which reveals a double-decker section. One small flap pocket. Both top and bottom sections are zipped. Compression straps for your clothes are in the bottom section. The grab handle on the top and the one on the base make it very easy to lift in and out of the boot of a car. It measures 67 centimetres tall, 36 centimetres wide and 30 centimetres deep. It only weighs 3.2 kilograms and has a total of 78 litres of space. The Eastpak Tranverz S rolling Holdall from Aspen of Hereford. Two-stage trolley handle. A built-in TSA padlock. Two pairs of cinch straps. A zipped front pocket, a top and side carry handle to turn it into a suitcase carry, and inline free running skate wheels, D-shaped feet for stability, curb guards. Twin zips lead to the main compartment. which reveals a double-decker section. On one side you have a flat flap pocket. Both halves of the bag are zipped, and two generous areas to pack all you need for a short trip. The Holdall is 51 centimetres tall, 32.5 centimetres wide, 23 centimetres deep. It weighs 2.4 kilograms and has a volume of 42 litres. The Eastpak Tranverz XXSmall from Aspen of Hereford. This is the smallest of the four in the range, but nonetheless it is feature rich. On the front we have a zip pocket which is the full height of the front of the bag. On each side we have cinch straps, perfect for keeping your luggage secure. On top we have a padded grab handle, the TSA padlock, and an extending trolley handle. On the side we find another grab handle, and on the back we have two step guards and two inline skate wheels, and also two D feet on the bottom, which allowing the case to stand up. Twin zips lead to the main compartment, where we find ample space for a 1 to 3 day trip and a zip pocket in the lid. It measures 45 centimetres tall, 32 centimetres wide and 20 centimetres deep. It only weighs 2 kilograms empty and has a total of 25 litres of space available.